Recently, I received a message that my JavaScript was not working in a pop-up, and I actually never knew that this is something that there is an issue where JavaScript does not work with Elementor pop-ups. So right now you could see I actually created this section, so which is like this code which is on my blog section that you could get. You could also check the video if you want. But this is the effect. You could see I just added this to my pop-up and it works in my what you call pop-up. So let's say if you add this code and then do a refresh after you're done update, it will work on your editor like this after you refresh. Okay, but I actually opened my I created like this page with a button which opens this pop-up. You could see, and nothing's happening. You could see nothing's happening, even that animation is not working. And I was actually confused why that happened, and I actually found the answer in a Stack Overflow, and it's pretty easy to do. So this is the code that is given, and whatever the code that you want to add should be added inside of this one. So we probably do is we check if the pop-up stuff has been loaded, the jQuery for pop-up has been loaded, then we add the code. I think that's how it works. So the thing that we need to do is our JavaScript, which is anything that is inside the script, we will copy this like this and then add it inside our code like this. Okay, so whatever is in our JavaScript, we will add it at that location where I said add the code here, and then let's copy script and then add it around here like this. So you can see it still works. You can try refreshing it if it does not works. Let me try updating this one. Let's hope it works. So there we go. Now our code is working perfectly fine without any issue, and pretty easy fix. I found it online, and there was like, it did take me a bit of a time to find the solution, which I'm creating this video. Hopefully it finds you pretty quickly rather than you needing to search for like hours. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. More videos coming soon, so make sure liking and subscribing. Check out my templates in my Elementor templates blog, and yeah, lots of cool stuff. Goodbye.